Hello my friends, in this video we will learn that how to write essay on New Education Policy 2020 in 700 words. And friends, after watching this video, if this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to like this video. So now, let's get started. New Education Policy 2020. Education improves everyone's knowledge, skills, and develops the personality and attitude. To get success in life, it is very important to be educated. No one can achieve anything without education. Therefore, a new education policy has been implemented for better education in India. New Education Policy of India. After 34 years in the education system of India, the new education policy was implemented on 29 July 2020. The central government has approved the National Education Policy 2020. This is the third education policy of independent India. Earlier education policies were implemented in 1968 and 1986. The Ministry of Human Resource Development (MHRD) has been renamed as Ministry of Education after the implementation of the New Education Policy 2020. According to this new education policy, the Ministry of Human Resource Development will now be called the Ministry of Education. Under the new education policy, 6% of the gross domestic product (GDP) will be spent in it, which was earlier only 4.43%. The new education policy is divided into the following stages, which are as follows. According to the new education policy, the 10th plus 2 structure has been replaced with the 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 model. First, foundation stage. The foundation stage will be 5 years, in which the initial 3 years will be preschooling or Anganwadi. After that, children will study in school in class 1st and class 2nd for the next 2 years. The focus of studies will be in activity-based learning. Foundation stage includes children between the age of 3 to 8 years. Second, preparatory stage. The preparatory stage will be of 3 years, in which classes from class 3 to class 5 will be taught. In this, children will be taught subjects like mathematics, science, physical education, arts, etc. through various experiments. Preparatory stage includes children from 8 years to 11 years of age. Third, middle stage. The middle stage will be of 3 years, in which children of classes 6 to 8 will be taught. Students will be taught in classes according to the subject-based curriculum. Skill development course will also be started from class 6th. Middle stage includes children aged 11 to 14 years. Fourth, secondary stage. The secondary stage will be of 4 years, in which classes 9 to 12 will be taught in 2 phases. In this, students will be taught all subjects and they will also be given freedom to choose the subject. Objective of the new education policy 2020. First, This new education policy has been implemented only to reduce the burden of students' higher education and mental stress. Second, this new education policy will not only be degree-taking education, but according to the new education policy, emphasis will be laid on creative thinking, rational decisions, innovation and employment education among the students. Third, board exam will be held twice a year to reduce the stress of board exam from the students, and there will be a comprehensive report of skills and abilities in place of marks in the report card. Fourth, a target has been set under this policy to provide quality education to children between the age of 3 to 18 by the year 2030. Fifth, under the new education policy 2020, a rule has been made to educate the students from pre-primary to 5th standard in mother tongue and vernacular. This will keep children connected to their mother tongue and culture. Sixth, Sanskrit, Tamil and regional language are also included along with English and Hindi languages, so that the student can study easily. 7. Students will be given the opportunity to choose Sanskrit as an option in all school stages and higher education levels. There will be no pressure on any student to choose a language. 8. The sole objective of this new education policy is to make India a global knowledge superpower. This new education policy has been implemented only to improve the future of students. The government of all countries should change its education policy from time to time to improve the future of students. If India wants to become a global knowledge superpower, then it is necessary to change India's education policy from time to time. This new education policy of India is the best education policy ever. Thank you for watching.